When working with air movers, radial heaters, and dehumidifiers for flood restoration, it can be hard to find different outlets to use that don't share the same circuit breaker. What can be done to get high power to all the equipment you are using? Is there a different way that saves time? With AC Works brand adapters, you don't have to waste time anymore with the household outlets. We offer many different adapters to get power from other power sources located inside the home or apartment complex you are restoring. You can easily get power from your dry outlets and range outlets to your equipment without tripping any breakers. Since these types of outlets have a higher current and 2 hot wires, you can power several fans, heaters, and dehumidifiers all at once. We offer compact and flexible adapters as well as extension cords with power distribution units. Don't need any adapters? Then check out our high-quality extension cords with power indicators. If you have any further questions about power connection solutions, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask us through a phone call, text, or email. Like, comment, subscribe to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.